Avery Middleton. I'm a camp coordinator, and this is my second year doing camp.
All right, 5. My name's Danny White. I'm camp coordinator, and I've done camp for 4 years now.
So Nocatee Summer Camp is a really fun day camp. They come here in the morning and they leave before dinner time, so they're here all day.
I'm Mackenzie Daly. I've been doing summer camp for 2 summers now, and I'm a counselor. I love working with kids. It's so much fun. This is a very fun job. Like, whenever I go home, I get to tell my friends, be like, I was at a water park all day.
I like to think of myself as their second mom for the day because they have no adults but us. But that's really great because they actually confide a lot in us, and I feel like there's a lot of trust between a counselor and a camper. We're gonna follow Miss Katie, so we're gonna put
My name is Katie Hovis. I've been a camp counselor for 6 years. For me, I'm a child at heart, so I love working with children and playing games and make sure they're having a good time.
I'm Marissa McGuire. I'm a head counselor, and this is my first year at camp. When everybody's smiling, nobody's crying, that is the most rewarding part of the day, when there's no tears, everyone's having fun.
Okay, so my name is Megan. I'm just a regular camp counselor, and this is my first year of camp, actually. I would say just getting to spend my entire day for the entire week with the kids. That's such a simple thing, but it makes my day every single day, so.
So all the counselors, communication's huge. So not just with kids, but each other. Certain counselors might be more outgoing than others, so they might be the ones that lead games.
You're just gonna go like this, like seaweed.
Or certain counselors might be more sympathetic. So if there's an issue with one that's crying or whatever, maybe that's the counselor that goes and talks to them, tries to deal with that situation. So each counselor using their strengths to the best of their abilities to work together as a team.
If you guys don't talk to each other, nothing gets done. Nothing gets done.
I would say all of the counselors work together really well. We communicate really well, and we're all friendly with each other, so that's really important.
We become a little family because I wake up in the morning and I see these people, and I leave right before dinner and I'm still hanging out with these people all day. But it's really good. The teamwork is really good, and it's definitely necessary for this job because you can't do it alone. It's not an individual thing at all, so having a good team is very helpful.
Camp is my way of being a kid again. So even as a coordinator, I still find my ways to pull little pranks here and there or make jokes with some of the kids. So
Throughout the 7 weeks, I got really close with them, and each relationship is different based on their age and their personality.
My first year as a camp counselor inspired me to become a teacher because I didn't know what I wanted to be before, and I worked this camp, and immediately I knew I want to work with kids. I need to be in the education system. And watching them grow and just thinking if I can make this much of an impact on these kids in 7 weeks, what can I do if I try to impact them for a year? It's really inspiring to watch them grow and just become more confident, more brave.
The counselors are very amazing, and they also help us a lot, and I think that they should get, I think all of them should get the best camp counselors in the world awards.
Thank you for all the fun stuff.
I like Miss Megan, and I like all the counselors. Thank you, counselors. The counselors are really nice because they are unique in their own different ways. I like them because they let us go in the pool for a few hours or so. They're really helpful and they're really fun to be around.
The counselors are great here. They're very understanding and fun to have around. And it's great to have this amazing group of counselors just always there for you. They've helped me on multiple accounts where I didn't know what to do, so that's really good. So they'll help you with anything.
I love you, counselors.
I would definitely recommend it because all these children, just with their smiling faces, having fun, it's just a really good memory for their life.